Hello, I'm not exactly sure how to start this video. I've never done one of these before. I've seen them done before, but basically, let me give you a little background. One of my Patreons asked me to do a bug out bag video. I thought I had done one, but in fact, I had done basically an enhanced EDC video. This was a couple of years ago. It's not the greatest. It's literally, I used to make some really, really bad videos. So I think what I wanted to do with this is show you guys the video, make commentary on it, and things that I've learned or know now that I may have not known then when I made this video. Because a lot of people are just grabbing stuff and throwing them into bags, and I really, really want to help people out. I do plan on doing a bug out bag video here in the very near future because the Patreons are asking for it. So we're going to get into it. Before we do that, though, I'd ask you to like, subscribe, hit those buttons down there. It really, really does help out on all these platforms that this video is going to show up on. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the video. I'm looking at a screen that's over there, so I can basically make sure you guys can see everything that I can see. The title of this video was My EDC 2021 Survival Prepper. I got 47 views on it. This is back when I just started making these videos. All right, so let's make the screen bigger, and you should be able to see a lot more now. So let's go ahead and play the video. All right, guys. Well, yep, the beginning. Go. All right, guys. It's another rainy day, so doing videos inside. A couple of people asked me, well, what's your EDC? Well, other than just a cell phone, a sidearm, some keys, a wallet, not really a lot. But I do carry some stuff with me. Let's check it out. All right, yeah, I used to have a different intro and everything. Let me go ahead and find that K button. There it is. All right, guys, so here it is. This is my EDC. This is my day-to-day. If I go anywhere, man, I was a lot skinnier. I don't even know what camera I was using. Yeah, and that's what we do. That PC in the back is like an old Lenovo piece of junk. From the big pouch. You'll notice it's a zip-down bag. This is my level 2 trauma. This has got my tourniquet in it. It's got my gunshot wound. It's got my wraps. It's got my cards. It's got my things to write on. There it is right there. Yeah, now let me comment on that level 2 trauma kit. Basically, that is a stop the bleed kit. You know, we want to get to those pressure points. We want to be able to stuff things in holes in our bodies. You know, and that sounded wrong, but you know what I mean. And that kit right there was the immediate grab emergency kit. That's where I was right there on the top of the bag. Let's go ahead and keep going. Obviously, my little EDC radio. For emergency uses only. I can only listen to this unless it's an emergency. Water bottle that I can drink from. Yep, that's it. Yeah, and on that water bottle, I actually got a lot of negative comments from that when I showed that to a couple of people saying, why don't you have this and why don't you have that? And I was like, dude, did you watch the entire video? You'll see here in a second. You may remember this from one of my very first videos on the 3 C's. Ooh. Some of the cook stuff, tarp, got some line in here. That video is actually the 5 C's or survival. I can link it someplace here if I remember to do it, but if not, it's right next to this one in the menu. Gun oil. Battery pack, recharge stuff. A couple of these things, you know what those are. A little bit more of that stuff. And that's pretty much it for the big pouch. Oh, that's not true. And just to make sure I got all my bases covered, most of you will know what that is. Yeah, and so if you didn't catch that, it was kind of quick. I never intended to show that, but I did anyway just to do it. Those were actually pieces of silver. Sorry, this video was actually filmed in 720. So you couldn't actually tell what those were, but those were actually ounces of silver. But anywho, In this pouch right here, I got multiple cords. Got a thumb drive with all my essential stuff scanned onto it. All my different cords to charge stuff. Got myself a little pen light. Woo! Go into the next pouch. It's also a little open zipper pouch. Remember this. This is my level 1 blood kit. We just made this in the last video, but I carry one all the time. Socks. If you got to walk out of any place, you're going to need a good set of socks no matter what happens. I keep a couple. These are actually really good, expensive hiking socks. Just in case. Little portable light. Do the lamp thing. I think it blinks too. Ooh, yeah. What else we got down here? This is my concealment holster. This one is actually Velcro and straps. And you can put multiple magazines on it. It fits underneath shorts. I wear a lot of shorts during the summer. And no one can even... Man, I was so much thinner back then. I may have to get back in shape. No, it's there. What else is in the bottom? Oh, the national change shortage. Gotta love it. Always keep a little bit of change on me for vending machines. I think that's it for this pouch. Okay, and then in this large outside pouch, obviously we know what fits in that. I got a pen, got a couple of masks, got a little pocket knife. I'm gonna put that right back because that's a pain in the ass to reconnect. See, it's a pain in the ass. What else we got here? Oh yeah, more of those things. A little bit of light that goes underneath my Liberty launcher. Isn't it just a shame that we have to come up with these other names for things that just so the algorithm won't mess with our videos? It's absolutely ridiculous. Let's continue. These are actually kind of neat. I found these. I don't even know if they make them anymore, but they're actually wound seals. They come in these little bitty pouches, and they're just these little bitty, like if you cut your hand open, it's basically quick clot. But it comes in these little bitty pouches. I keep those right in the top. Got a lighter. Got some fingernail clippers. Some chapstick. Something to write on. Some credit cards. Who knows, just in case. This is actually a suture set with needle. Oh, look, another flashlight. Oh, look, a headlamp. These things are awesome. You buy at Walmart, they're $1 a piece. You keep a little plastic thing in them, and they're a little $1 headlamp. They work perfect. Got another ladder. Got some earplugs in case I end up at the range. Got a handful of batteries. Some keys to different things. I'm not exactly sure what they all go to. Some hand sanitizer. And that's about it. Now you know what my everyday EDC is. So far, making all these videos this week, it's actually been pretty challenging. So, if you'd like to support the channel, okay. So, I think that I think that pretty much covers it. Once again, this is a video that's 2 years old. I still carry much of those things around with me. But you know, obviously they're going to be a little bit more organized. Hopefully that does it for you guys. A little look into the past, maybe a little bit of learning about something about an enhanced EDC and the things that I carry around with me. As usual, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.